So it's renovation day in the RV, and what we're going to be doing is taking this inverter that I have, that I've been using to power my toaster and my 5G hotspot and all that kind of stuff, and I'm going to be putting it in this bench. I already took off this top plate. As you can see, that's what it looked like before with the screws. Eventually I'm going to be adding a hinge on this so I can open and close it more easily, but for now I'm just going to be sticking my inverter there. I'm going to be putting a hole through the side of this over here, and we're going to be routing the cable out through there into the power outlet so it can power itself through there. It's going to be one of the biggest projects I've done so far, so I'm excited to share it with y'all. Alright, so what I'm going to do is run a line of cord cable from the top of the ceiling to the bottom, from up there, down to there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount it along the side of the wall. So I'll show you all. Just want to make sure it's within reach. I should be able to make it going through the wall. This is a 10-foot. I also got a 15-foot. So I'm not sure which one we're going to use. So I got these stick-on backing strips. You open them up, and you can put the wire through there. So it'll stay nice and flush on the wall. Try to do some of this. So they come with little connectors. And the key is to put the connector into the tube like that and slide right in. And then you slide it into the end, to the other end. And when you close it, it'll seal that connector. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this first, and then I'm going to put it on the wall. Alright, so once you have your tubes connected, you can see there's a couple of them connected here, all on the line. This will make it a lot easier to install, so you don't have to try and connect them once they're already installed and the tape's been removed. So we're going to pull off the tape on all three of these. And you can get these on Amazon. You can get them at Home Depot. You can even get them at Walmart sometimes. This will help you keep your cables nice and organized. Especially when you're dealing with this much power. You want to really be careful with your cable management. Even small issues can escalate really quickly. I got the tape peeled off, so we're just going to firmly press this into the wall over here. Now once that's done and you have that cable reel or cable hider installed, you can just open it up and stick the cables through. And then you can put the connectors back over on top of the cable. a nice hidden cable now. You can see, if you zoom in, it's nice and snug. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start the drilling. America, baby! And we're gonna start working on this box down here. This is where things get a little bit interesting. So today we're using Forstner bits, and if you're not familiar, they are very good at drilling holes in a clean circle. They're a little bit more precise than a hole saw. So if you're looking at doing something like this, I highly recommend picking up a set. I think we're gonna go with a 2-inch Forstner bit. All right, well, this should work. And we're going in. You can see it's a circle bit, and it's gonna go straight through the side. I'm a little bit nervous about this, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all are gonna see me really happy or really sad right now. But this should be just pretty simple. I'm just going straight through right here. I'm gonna line it up. I'm gonna do it a little bit higher. We're gonna do it right here. I'm gonna leave myself a little bit more wiggle room. We're going for it. It's stopping up. I'm not sure why. So when you're drilling things, your choke, if you have a good drill, you'll have a choke. And this is when it stops trying to force things. It's basically telling it, hey, you hit something that and you're spinning, you're trying to work too hard. Instead of breaking the thing I'm working on, turn off the drill. Hey Bubby, I need you out of there. Okay, you can go there if you want. Making slow progress, chap. And that's a hole. So it did work. Got a little bit of splintering. It's okay. We got a hole. I'm gonna take you down and show you. I don't think that was the smoothest it could have been. I think I'm missing something to attach it to my drill safely. But it stayed enough where we could make it work. So if you look, that's a hole. It's a little bit cleaner than a hole saw. It's still a little bit rough because it was vibrating so much, but that's a solid 2-inch hole. And we can take the cable and put it through there. I really should have worn a mask for the sawdust. I'm gonna put you back on the tripod. All right, so we have a hole. We have a cable. We have a cable and a hole. And that is exciting for me. Oh, I forgot that there's an extension, there's already a cable attached to my thing, so we'll have more than enough room. All right, so we put the box and the hole. Climb in there. I don't know if it's a safe way to step on, I'm assuming. Making some bold assumptions here. is now we have to wire that back out. So I have extension cord number 2. And what we're gonna do with this one is come back out the other way and into my kitchen. This one's longer, but it's not rated for quite as much power. Oh, I also need to put a power surge protector up there. That is the thing. So take that, plug it in here. And then we're going the opposite way, my dear. This is supposed to be 15 feet. I don't know if it's 15 feet. I think I might have been bamboozled, chat. I might run out of connector pieces. I might also need a longer cable. All right, round 2 going on. I think I need a longer cable, chat. No. That sucks. Well, we're going back to the store, chat. All right, everyone, I'm back from the store. We got some new toys. I got this hinge system. We're gonna make this into a cabinet. So I'm actually gonna start with this. This hinge I'm using is nickel. The metal really doesn't matter. It's just, you know, different durabilities. All right, so we want this hinge to come from here, go up. So we're gonna install it this way. All right, so first things first, gotta drill some holes. I don't know if I need to drill holes for screws this tiny, but I'm gonna drill holes for screws this tiny. So I found out you have to lock the drill. With these, you have to actually lock it. And that'll keep it nice and tight when I'm drilling. I've never owned a DeWalt before. So that was new information for me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line this up. Just gonna go straight in, straight out. Nice and simple. Now as long as these 2 ends are lined up, I did one on either side. Should be pretty good. If you want to get more specific, you could mark out each and every individual hole. But you know what? I'm okay. And now I can start putting the screws in. All right, so we're just gonna take these and screw them in the holes. So what I like to do is start on either end first. So I'm gonna drop the screw and then I'm going to put it in on this end off camera. Turn down my choke. I won't strip these bad boys because they are small. And we're gonna come in the camera angle Do this one. And we just do all the ones in between. Ooh. That was not what you want. That was the one I put in a little bit, not where I wanted it to. You can see it. Oh no. That one's stripped. That's a problem for me. Stripping a screw, for those who don't know, is when the face of it gets all messed up and your screwdriver doesn't want to stick in. Alright, now part 2. We do the same thing, but for this side. It's coming into the plywood all of it. It's just coming into laminate. It's not my favorite, but it's fine. I think it will genuinely be okay. I'm definitely gonna drill holes first though. Oh, that's so thin. It's fine, Chad, it's fine. And now it's time to get screwed. And there you have it, chat. That is a installed desk or cabinet in my seat. Oh, watch this broke. Oh no. Yay! Alright everyone, I had my camera die, so I went ahead and finished up, but we got the cables coming out from the walls, got them going down into the box. We open the box. What's in the box? You see a bunch of stuff over here where this is all connected. I put some brackets you can't really see back there to keep the cable flush with the wall. This is snagging now, but it is what it is. I'll sand that down in a little bit. And then we have the cables coming across the ceiling, another couple brackets. I really need to do some better cable management, but that'll happen when I have some more money. And it's coming down into this power outlet where I have everything hooked up So I'm really excited about this, that we have inverter power on demand in the kitchen. All right, so I got the second cabinet done. I finished wiring all the stuff in the first one. And now I got this installed to hold the inverter in place, and I'm routing this last wire over into my bedroom, and that'll be the last cable. All right, I got the second hole cut now. I got the cap on. This here looks not too bad. All right, and I have a second working outlet. I routed it through here, attached it to the wall. And then if you look through here, you can see how I cable managed it all the way to the back. And then if you look in here, I attached a little handle, nice and easy. But we got the inverter. The rest of the cable's coming out through here. And everything's plugged in to there, nice and neatly. We had a thing malfunction. It's not fun. But aside from that, everything's routed up through here. It's connected there for power, and it's gone all the way into my kitchen with the other power. And I think that's pretty neat. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. I just wanted to share a little bit about how I set up my house and how you can do the same. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below in the comment section and I will get back to them as soon as I can. Remember, if you like this video and want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe. It means a whole lot to me and it really helps this channel grow and reach more people. So thank you for watching, and until next time, much love always.